Hello friends, hope you are all well. I am at Finaj. Welcome you all at my video. In my video, this video is about lookup functions. In Excel, when we work on a database, we usually need to look for some details through a reference. So for that, lookup functions are very useful. Most of us must be know the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function provides details from left to right, but there may be requirement of getting details from right to left, top to bottom, bottom to top also. So to cover that, there are some other functions that I will discuss here, and I hope after this video you will be able to get details through lookup in all directions. So we will cover here HLOOKUP, lookup formula, index match function, use of match in lookup function, and a comparison of all these formulas. Through this comparison sheet, I will summarize that these in which directions these formulas will provide you results. So friends, let's move on. So friends, let's first start VLOOKUP function. To understand the VLOOKUP function, let me first discuss this illustration that I have taken. Here in column A, I have taken the names, some names Anand, Manish, Ranjit, Shashank, and in row number 2, I have taken some directions like east, west, north, south. The data inside in numbers represent the sale value. So here 336 represent the Anand sales in east region. Okay. 635 represent Manish sales in west region. So these are the sales performance, okay, details. So for VLOOKUP, we first use VLOOKUP. I will tell you a tip that when you use a formula equal to and then the formula will come down, then use a tab. Tab will tab will move you to this place where you will be able to see, like here you can able to see lookup value, table array, index number, range lookup. So the formula will itself tell you what to do. Suppose here I want Randhir north detail from this table. So what I have to look? I have to look the Randhir detail. Then table array, in table array I will select the table. Then column index number. Column index number is the column number. So Randhir north detail is from left side is 1, 2, 3, 4. Including the particular column, it's fourth. So I have to put here 4, and after column number there is range lookup in which we have to show exact match. So we will write here 0. So this formula is complete. Then we will put and press enter and we will get the result 846. 846 is Randhir sales performance in north region. Okay, similarly we can check the Shashank west region performance. So we look up Shashank, then table array, select the complete table, comma, column index number. So Shashank west region is from left 1, 2, 3, 3 and then 0. So by this way 643 is the result. So we can see that VLOOKUP has provided correct results. Let's understand HLOOKUP function then. So VLOOKUP provide the details from left to right direction. HLOOKUP provide detail from top to down. Okay, it is similar to VLOOKUP. HLOOKUP and HLOOKUP lookup value. I want to know the west region detail of Anand. So I have to look from top. So in top, what is there? It is written east, west, north, south. So I have to look west. West, then table array. I have to select the complete table. Then row number index. So Anand is at 1 and 2. So I will write here 2 row number, then 0 for matching, and it will provide you result 554. So Anand West region performance is 554. Similarly, as lookup of East, performance of Randhir. So East table array complete, we have to select, then row index number Randhir is at 1 2 3 4. So 4 comma 0, and the answer is 742. So Randhir East performance is 752. So HLOOKUP provides details from top to down. Now let us understand lookup. So lookup, I have done some change in this data. I have written some names in left side as well as in right side, so that I will be able to show you that it works from left side as well as from right side. So let's do it first from left side. So lookup, LLOOKUP, what it is asking lookup value. So I want to know the Manish performance. So lookup value is Manish. Then lookup vector, then I will select for vector column A. This is the lookup vector, and result vector, I need detail of west region. So west vector is this. I have to enter, and the answer is 635. So Manish west side, answer is this. Okay. Similarly Randhir north side. So lookup Randhir, lookup vector for Randhir is from left side this, and result vector for north side is this. So enter, answer is 846. So this is the Randhir answer, north sales performance. Similarly, similar results we can achieve from right side also. Lookup value Manish, lookup vector is from right side, so it is, I am selecting right side. Then result vector is west region, so this is west, enter. And similarly as lookup value is Randhir lookup table array is this. Oh, I have selected wrong formula. It's lookup value Randhir, then lookup vector is right, I have taken from right side, result vector from north side, and so you can see the answer as same. So lookup, we are able to see that lookup function provide details from left side also, from right side also. So it is a useful thing. Now let's understand index match. So index match is a function which provides results from all directions, means left to right, right to left, top to down, down to top. So let's see what index match, how index match can be used. So for index match, first let's understand what is match. Suppose I am using match, then lookup value, suppose I am looking Anand, then lookup array, suppose I am using this lookup array, comma match type 0, exact match 0. So for Anand it is showing 2. I have selected this array, so match is showing the row number of Anand position. Same we can use match Randhir, comma lookup array, comma 0, So Ranadhir position, it is giving answer 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is giving a position. Okay. So this position is used in index match. Match is used for position. Index. Index. In index match, first earlier we first use a lookup, but here it is asking for array. So result array we have to select. Okay. Let's here we are interested to know the Anand West region performance. So what is the result? West. So we have to select the West first. Then match lookup value is Anand, and Anand lookup array is this, comma 0, and close the match function. Then comma, then close the index function by putting 0. Then enter, it shows 554. So Anand West region performance is 554. Similarly, you can use again index answer is from north side. So I will select north, comma match, index match, lookup value is Ranadhir, and this, comma 0, bracket close, comma 0, bracket close. So this is 846. Ranadhir north region performance is 846. Okay. Same result we can get from right side, but we have to be selective to no, we can get the same details. So index array is west region, comma match lookup is Anand, right side, comma 0, close, comma 0, close, 554. And for same for index result array is north. So north, comma mat, comma lookup is Ranadhir, comma Ranadhir, comma 0, bracket close, comma 0, bracket close. So similar results. So this is how we can use index match from left to right and right to left. Now how to use index match from top to down. Then for top to down we have to look up west, because east directions are written on top, and then the names. So let's use it. Index array is Anand. So Anand array is this. Okay, top to down, comma match lookup value is west, comma lookup array is this. But here you have to be careful. Here it is asking row number. We have selected Anand, then row number. Row number for top to down we have to check. We have to be conscious that we have to use 0 here, because if in match we are using top row, east, west, north, south, row number 2, then match will decide the row number, column number, okay, not row number. So row number will be 0, and then for column we have to use match lookup value is west, column, comma 0, close, and already close. So 554. So what is the change point? Change point here is that in row number we are using 0. Here in column number we are using 0. Here in row number we are using 0, because you can see that in row number 2 columns are changing. In row number 3 also columns are changing. Row number is fixed 1. Okay. So we are using here match function at column number. So similarly, and similar thing we have to use for bottom to top. So again, index or match, index, we have to choose array, and here we have to choose comma, row number is 0, comma, column number match, comma, lookup value is Randhir, no, not it's Randhir, it's north, then top one, comma, 0, close, okay, same results. And from down to top, index array Anand, row number is 0, comma, match, comma, lookup value is best, so I'm using here now this, comma, 0, this, and index array is this. We have to choose the Randhir, so Randhir array is this, comma, 0, comma, match, lookup value is north, south side, comma, 0. So we get similar results. So we have understood here index match also. Another topic is how to use match function in lookups to make it very useful. So in VLOOKUP we can use match function. Suppose here in VLOOKUP we can see that we are writing here 4 or 3. Match function also provides the position. So we can use here match also. So VLOOKUP, what lookup? V Randhir, comma, and then for north position we will be writing 1, 2, 3, 4th column. In place of that we can write match. Match what? North with lookup array is this, comma, 0, close, and then close. So 846. Okay. Now as you have used match function, so here you have to for you are getting result here for north region. For south or west or east you have to put here, you have to change this column number. But after match, if you write here east, this automatically gets changed. South, this will automatically get changed. Okay. So it is the use of match. Let's check it. Randhir South, it's 369. Okay. So this you can use in VLOOKUP. Similarly in HLOOKUP you can use it. HLOOKUP, what to look? West, table array is this, comma, row index number. So for Anand it's 2. So I have to use match. Match lookup value is Anand and lookup array is this. Okay. So 0, it's 554. So now it's dynamic, and in place of Anand if I write Manish, I will get the 635 result. So West Manish performance is 635. Okay. Same you can use in lookup function also. In lookup function, if you use it, then how you will use? Here you cannot use because you are writing here. You are using here the column. Okay. So you cannot use. You can use here in it in index match. So here how you can use, here you are using, you are leaving this column number 0. Okay, so if you use column number, if for column number, if you use match, then for any variable it will work. Okay, let's see this. Index array is result, so Anand result, Anand West result, so West result. So I to use a West. So complete function we have to choose, comma, match lookup value is Anand first of all, and for Anand we will select this, comma 0, comma column number match lookup value is West, we will use this, comma 0, this, and close. Then it provides 554, same result. Now it's very much dynamic. If you provide here Randhir, so Randhir West 542, okay, Randhir West, then here you write Manish, so Manish answer is West, let it be South. So this is not giving the result, but this is giving. So Manish South is 273, and you are finding a result here. So the formula become dynamic when you use match. Okay, let's move on to the comparison sheet. So friends, it is a comparison sheet. In this comparison sheet you can see in top row there is functions written like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, lookup and index match. In left side the directions are mentioned, left to right, right to left, top to bottom and down to top. So VLOOKUP function, we all know that it works from left to right. Then HLOOKUP function, we have seen that HLOOKUP function works from top to down and not in any other direction. Then there is lookup function. We have seen that this function works from left to right and right to left. And then finally index match function. This function works in all directions. You can arrange this function in a way that it will provide you results from left to right, right to left, top to down and down to top. So friends, thank you. Hope this video will be useful for you, was useful for you. It has definitely given you some learning, and with that learning you will be able to improve your productivity in your professional career, in your professional life. Take care of yourself. I will soon come up with a new video. Thank you so much.